If staining someone will make you do these things online, my sister, you rather like just leave it. Maybe you are being paid to do this, because the only time that I allow myself to look like a fool online is when I'm being paid more than 1 million. Otherwise, thank you very much. Watch this.
Flowers there is BS for a reason. These people, you see, they provoke us. They are provoking us now. They are provoking us now. What to do with this what colored fence? And I don't care about the fence. I don't care about the fence. We will attack the real queen there. We will attack their queen. They are using Italians to attack him, to use strangulation to sweet Kulova. Just imagine the thing of last year.
So the problem here is that Thandeka talked about working for freedom, to secure your freedom, not just to work in to show people that you're working, right? And then the Ashes were not having it. They felt like, hey, now you are making us look bad. You're making our girl look bad. They attack, and then the Italians, they were defending. My problem here is that as Italians, you don't have a backbone. I mean, you don't stand your ground. There's something about Ashes that I love. It's either you are with them or you're not with them. Ashes, they support Ashley through and through. And you know what I love about Ashley? She's not a confused queen. She doesn't confuse her own fans. If she's saying that something, I'm not doing it, she's not gonna do it. If I'm not going to attend the reunion, she will not be at the reunion. She will not even be posting about the reunion. But your girl, you go there, you attack Ashley. 20 minutes later, she posts Ashley's baby. Now you are saying that you are sisters with Ashley. You are what with Ashley. Guys, you need to pick your fights really, really wise. There was no need for Ashes and Italians to fight. I don't think in her brain Thandeka was talking about Liema, Ashley, or any of these girls who are securing brand deals. She was just giving an advice, because let me tell you something, whenever someone is getting a brand deal, whenever someone is working for a gig, Thandeka's name is being mentioned. Because why? We want to see her work. But then she's answering us that, guys, I worked to secure my freedom so that I can do things that I love when I want to leave. So, Italians, now I feel like you look like clowns of the fan base. Because Asham, it started with Yolanda. From Yolanda, you went to, it was Mushini. After Mushini, who is Thandeka's friend? Who do you want to add Thandeka to associate with? When one thing that I realized is that when I speak here on YouTube, people attack me. Will attack me saying that Naki delusional, saying that I cannot see Thandeka. Bruh, now I see how Thandeka is moving. People who are delusional is the fan base. The fan base, they don't see how Thandeka is moving. I don't think that Thandeka wants to make any friendship be public. If she's having a friendship with someone, it's not going to be public. We know that her friend is Lunga Kanyile, right? That's her friend. But she doesn't go into details of their friendship and to what level of trust do they trust each other. But as for Italians, I'm really disappointed in you and also Ashes, because you could have done better in that situation. Why Ashes are you being the Cinderellas? Because Ashley is 28, if not 27. Why are you comparing? Like, that's my problem. Why are you comparing someone who's saying that I've been working for the past 8 years to someone who just started working on her brand and making real money 2 years back? Like, sometimes, guys, we gotta use our heads. Like, stand sheep aside. Just use your head. Why are you doing that to yourself? It's like you're comparing Patrice Motsepe with Vusi Tembekwayo. Motsepe is a billionaire. Vusi is a millionaire. And he started making his millions now, not so long ago. Motsepe has been doing this during the 1990s. And then during the 2010s, we were introduced to Vusi. You see, it doesn't make sense, and it's not even worth the energy to compare people who are not in the same level, in the same trajectory. As more like you're gonna compare me to Seems Right, Owami, Umpo, Lihle. They've been doing this for a longest time. I've been doing this for 4 months. When you're going to compare me with them, I'm like, guys, are you insane? Actually, you should never in your life take anything that Thandeka is saying as an offense, because to be honest, Thandeka cannot compare Ashley with herself. They're living way two different lives. Right? Yo, this explosion now, I deem it very unnecessary. And next time, choose your battle wisely. Italians, a grown woman screaming like that, and even like, to me, I'm not gonna say this, but it sounded low-key racist, like white-colored woman, that white-colored, what do you mean? What do you intend on saying? Huh? So if she's white-colored, she doesn't deserve the work. She doesn't deserve to have the sternship. So we're like, the fans are nothing. Like, what did Ashley do to you? Ashley, if the fans are nothing, you want that white colored woman. What did Ashley do to you specifically? Because I don't remember even once Ashley being busy clapping back on fans. Ashley is someone who's just gonna go live, speak with her fans, and keep it moving. So which a guy that nerve to actually say that that white colored woman? Huh? Shem, I'm disappointed, Shem. I'm really disappointed. Both fan bases were so wrong, and you just need to use your brains. Thank you very much.